everyone. You may remember back in the soil improvement video when I talked about building this compost bin. I made it out of scrap lumber, blah 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 blah, and it's served us pretty well for the past couple of years now, with a couple of problems. One of which it's slow, and I think that's for a couple reasons. First of all, my ratio is off. Let me switch it around here so you can see what I'm talking about. There's a lot of browns in there, so part of it's just content. The other part is construction. There are a lot of gaps in here, so it's pretty dry. Also, location, and that's the big one. Over here around this side of the house, it's a long way to the hose, so to add water, it's a real challenge. But the bigger challenge, our neighbors have rats. So this has got to go. Which brings me to this, a real actual purchased composter. So my task today is to put it together and set it up. So, a couple hours in, and I was making good progress, and now I seem to have reached an impasse. People in the reviews said that you can't finish this with one person unless you have impossibly long arms, and now I see why. The problem is this. It's these all in fine, the nut on the inside fine, bit of a stretch to get my arm inside to reach the nut this far back. So if I'm standing back here, and I have a screwdriver or a drill in this hand, and then on the inside holding the little triangular nut. This is about as far as I can reach, and that takes quite a bit of yoga. This one, not gonna happen. Same with these bracket ones here. So unless I come up with a clever solution, I am just going to go ahead and drive them in, and then we'll back them out and put the nuts on when Ames gets home from work. Which would be a bummer because I wanted to get this done today and load it up. So this is my solution. Here's our little nut. I have rotated the barrel so that it is at the bottom. And 15-pound dumbbell. Let's see if that gives it enough back pressure for me to screw that screw in. See what we got. Yeah, it's on there. Woohoo! Now I just gotta do it 6 more times, I think. Oh my god. You guys, I effed up. I'm gonna show you. What is wrong with this latch? Can you tell me? I can tell you, it's upside down. This thing is supposed to be down here. Not a big deal. I'm gonna fix it right now. Yeah, see, down here. Oopsie. Down here. Oh, son, I just did it when I wasn't filming. There we go. Down here. And if I had 2 hands, this thing would go up here like that. Like that. Check it out though. The hole is in the same spot. This is going to go faster than expected. looks better. Is pretty unlevel here, so I've had to do some blocking to get it just right so it spins nicely. And I just gotta cover my work. All sighted, leveled, ready to load up in the garden where the compost is gonna go. Also close to water so it doesn't get dry. I am ready to make some compost.